Hey, it's extra practice here with all of our different methods involved, but because on some of them you might find yourself using synthetic division, I wanted to do a little promotional for the number 2. Here I've got the number 120 written as 3 products, and if you're wondering, well, why using exactly 3 products? Well, we're going to try to factor third degree polynomials. That's why I've got them as exactly 3 factors. That's why I don't have like 1 times 1 times 120. And if you take a look at the frequency, you'll notice how often the number 2 is used as a factor. In fact, not only will you notice that the number 2 is used more than any other factor, in general, these smaller numbers appear more often than the larger numbers. So if you have to use synthetic division and you really have no clue what number to try, I heartily recommend that you try the number 2. If 2 doesn't work, perhaps you can try a -2. Or perhaps you could try a 3 or a -3. But 2 is going to probably be the most likely thing to unlock if you have to use synthetic division. All right, so there's our promotional for the number 2. Otherwise, it'll be time to get to work. Some of the factoring will obviously come off of Pascal's triangle, those perfect cubes. Some of them will obviously be the sum or difference of cubes, where you've got the u to the third plus v to the third, or u to the third minus v to the third. And of course, a few of them might work with factor by grouping. But if factor by grouping does not seem to work, synthetic division can crack it open for you. Or if you don't recognize factor by grouping, synthetic division will also work on those.